Chasing the birds. Chase them again, Merce.
Her neck.
Run to us, Mercy.
Wow, we almost got the worst wipeout on tape.
Almost. Man, those are the moments.
Ow! Yeah, Mercedes is kind of scary.
That was like do. Kids, where's the kids?
You want to chase it last time, okay?
Sister is safer.
Whoa! I know, I thought you were gonna eat it, Merce. Oh, fun! Whoa! Ah. Oh, good job. Again?
All done.
All done.